Welcome to another video by Abron Exports. This is a BP apparatus and stethoscope. We have got the BP apparatus, which is having mercury based. We have got the digital also. It comes with a cuff arm and air bellow, lockable air, and then you can connect these two. And when you have to use it, first switch on this, so mercury can come here, and then the air is filled inside and closed this bellow. When you push it, the mercury comes to the top. And when you have to check the BP, see this. Here is a artery, as you doctors and everybody knows in the teaching colleges. I am just teaching it for institutions or the new boys and children who do not know how to use a BP apparatus in the home. There is a pulse feeling. You can feel the pulse by 3 fingers. Wherever there is a pulse, then you can put it and push this, use this stethoscope, so that, and when this goes say about 240, the sound will stop, the heartbeat will stop in the ears, and then slowly it will start, and then again it will come out down say 80, and it will again stop the heartbeat. You will not be able to hear it. When you have used it, say if you have used it, its air should be clean. Now see, mercury has gone down, but still some mercury is visible. So you have to turn it on one side and close it to the right side, close it, and then you can separate this and push it so that the air has gone. Open this, push it thoroughly so the air is not inside any of the balloon. Or you can go to any clinic or doctor and learn how to use the BP apparatus. This is for demonstration purpose and for institutions, how these things are done. We have got the stethoscope, otoscope, ENT kits, and all these items. Packing comes with the one outer packing, and then there are different instruments available with us. Please visit the website abronexports.com and abron01@gmail.com and send us your messages or any question. Thank you very much.